everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas, CEO and co-founder of S2A Modular, back for another segment of the advantages to building modular. Today, we're on advantage number 5, neighbors. So let's start talking about the disadvantage. First of all, when you're building outdoors, the outdoor method, the traditional stick-built method, in front of neighbors. I don't know if I have to go through this. All of you understand. It's the pounding of the nails all day long, right? The beep, 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 the backing up of the trucks, 4, 5, 6 vans parked in front of your house all day long. 12 months, 15 months, 18 months. It's horrible on neighbors. In the modular method of building, we're building 90% of the home away from the neighbors in a factory, right? And then it gets shipped, it gets installed into that foundation. And then that last 10% that we finish around on site is only for like 3, 4, 5 weeks, and poof, we're gone. A huge, huge advantage on that side for neighbors. So I hope you enjoyed this small little clip. We're now on to advantage number 6, contractors. Hope you stay tuned for that. See you down the road. Bye-bye.